Guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So this is another day of solving our problems, and we are quite consistent over on solving the problems daily as our daily target was being set, and I hope so you are consistent too over on solving all those problems with me. So, minimum give at least some time that you can solve one problem a day. Okay. If you have ample of time, you can do that. And if you have a bit less time, then you can manage the problems and solve it accordingly over here. Okay. So, make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you are new to the channel. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can check out that too from the starting of the journey for solving this lead code questions over on SQL. And make sure you share it with all your friends and also your colleagues if you are working professional over here. So let's start with our today's questions. And our question number for today would be 182, and we would be solving the problem on this. That is nothing but duplicate emails. Okay. So first of all, let's just minimize this and let's just have a look at what the problem states over here. So we have a table which is named as person over here. It has specific columns that has ID, the data type as int, and email as a column whose data type is varchar over here. So here ID is the primary key which has unique values for this table, and here each of the row contains an email. Okay. So the emails here would not contain any uppercase letters that has been stated over here. So everything would be in lowercase only. Okay. So we have to write a solution to report all the duplicate emails. Okay. So note here that it's not guaranteed that the email field is null over here. Okay. It can be null or it cannot be null. So we have to return the result table in any order. There's no specific order that needs to be followed over here. We just have to find the duplicates whose email IDs would be in lowercase, and it may be null or may not be null over here. So suppose we are having a look at the example first over here, that what is the input and what would be the expected output for the same. So here talking about the input, we have a person table who has this ID and email over here. So the IDs are 1, 2, and 3, and the emails here are A at the rate B, C at the rate D, and first and third are duplicates over here, as we can see over here. So in the large data sets, we cannot just go and manually check that which emails are duplicate or whether how to distinguish between them. So we use this query into large databases to find all the duplicates that are present in the whole database, in the whole table, or whatsoever is required over here accordingly. So here the output we require is this email. Okay. And this email should be the one that has been repeated multiple times over here. So because this A at the rate B is repeated two times, it is mentioned over here in this column. So first of all, pause the video and try to think and let me know in the comment section below that what approach you think is suitable for this problem to be solved over here. And after completing the video, check that how close you were and where you need to improve your problem solving skills. Okay. So just try it by yourself first, and then just continue with the video. So it will increase your problem solving skills too over here. Okay. Yeah. So I'll give you what needs to be required to solve this. So first of all, what are we going to use is the count function. Okay. In the previous videos also we had a look at how this count works over here. Okay. This count is also an aggregate function. So for using this, we need to use nothing but our group by query. Okay. So along with this group by, we are going to use having clause where we are going to filter out some items and then just have a count where the count, if it is greater than 1, means it's a duplicate. Okay. If the count extends 1, then it is a duplicate. If the count is equals to 1, then it's not a duplicate. It's just one email ID present in the whole table over here. So for the output over here, we would be looking as we have an email over here. Okay, the already the column is present over here, so it doesn't matter. So we'll just select what? Email. We only want one column. There's no other column that has to be mentioned over here in our results. So we just have to select this email. But from which table are we going to select is person. Okay. We have only one table present over here, and that's person in which email ID is been present. So we have selected our email ID, and now what we have to do is we have to use this count function. Okay. So for using this count, what we'll do is we'll just group by. Okay, group by what? Email. Okay, so this is whole a group now. Okay, so onto this group, what I'll do is use this count function over here and put it over on this email column that is present. So we have to give a filter that group by email, but only when I have the count greater than 1. Okay, if my count is greater than 1, that states that my email is a duplicate and is being repeated many a times in this table over here. And now we'll just run it and check that does it pass all the test cases that have been mentioned over here. Okay. Yeah, so our test cases have been accepted and we got the final output also over here. That was expected that we got the duplicate email that was present over here, and the duplicate one is identified over here. Now we'll just click on submit and then check that whether all the hidden test cases are also evaluated and our code is there for all the conditions that are present for this query. Okay, so it has been accepted over here as you can see. Okay, so this was quite an easy problem which we had to deal with today. I hope you guys have understood this, and if you have any doubt, you can just drop the questions in the comment section below, and I'll reach out to you guys as well. And make sure you're consistent with the series, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any update from the playlist which is ongoing on our SQL Leetcode problem solving skills. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with all your friends and colleagues. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.